Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. Today I'm making a scrambled egg casserole.
So the first thing you need to do is set your oven to 350. And then I chopped up some onions and I went through the refrigerator to see what other vegetables I had. Carrots and celery were among those. So I chopped those up, added them to the mix, and sauteed them in a pan with a little bit of oil. Then I remembered I had some peppers and tomatoes in the freezer from last summer's garden. And so I got those out. I also got some garlic. Can't go wrong with garlic. I really wanted some fresh mushrooms, but they were gone. So I opened up a can of mushrooms. I added a little bit of salt, pepper, and parsley. And added all these vegetables together and just let it saute and simmer for a little bit. Now, while that was happening, I got out a 9 by 13 pan and I greased the bottom and the sides of that with some oil. And then I added some cheese to cover the bottom of that dish. Once the vegetables were all cooked up, I added that to the top of the cheese. Then I sprinkled a little bit more cheese on the top of that and set it aside. So I took some farm fresh eggs from my son's chickens and cracked 10 of them into a bowl. Added some milk, probably about 3/4 of a cup, and mixed up really well. Then I poured that over all those yummy vegetables and put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I pulled it out of the oven, sprinkled some cheese on it, and put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then brought it back out and let it set. And look how yummy this was. It was really good. There's just enough left over for me to have this for breakfast in the morning. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.